Section 3, Introducing Amazon SQS. Amazon Simple Queue Service, or Amazon SQS, is a fully managed message queuing service. With Amazon SQS, you can decouple and scale microservices, distributed systems, and serverless applications. The service eliminates the complexity and overhead associated with managing and operating message-oriented services, so that you can focus on the business logic of your application. You can use Amazon SQS to transmit any volume of data at any level of throughput without losing messages or requiring other services to be available. With Amazon SQS, you can decouple application components so that they run and fail independently, which increases the overall fault tolerance of the system. Multiple copies of every message are stored redundantly across multiple availability zones so that they are available when they are needed. Amazon SQS uses the AWS cloud to dynamically scale based on demand. Amazon SQS scales elastically with your application so that you don't have to worry about capacity planning and pre-provisioning. The number of messages per queue is not limited. You can use Amazon SQS to exchange sensitive data between applications using server-side encryption, or SSE, to encrypt each message body. Amazon SQS SSE integration with AWS Key Management Service, or AWS KMS, provides the ability to centrally manage the keys that protect Amazon SQS messages along with keys that protect your other AWS resources. AWS KMS logs every use of your encryption keys to AWS CloudTrail to help meet your regulatory and compliance needs. Amazon SQS offers both standard and first-in, first-out, or FIFO queues to support different processing priorities. Amazon SQS supports two types of message queues. Standard queues are the default queue type. Standard queues provide best effort ordering, which ensures that messages are generally delivered in the same order that they're sent. Standard queues support at least once messaging delivery. However, occasionally more than one copy of a message might be delivered out of order. Standard queues also support a nearly unlimited number of transactions per second, or TPS, per action. First in, first out, or FIFO queues are designed to enhance messaging between applications when the order of operations and events is critical, or where duplicates can't be tolerated. FIFO queues also provide exactly once processing, but they have a limited number of TPS. The next section provides more information about queue type distinctions. You can integrate Amazon SQS with other AWS services to make applications more reliable and scalable. This illustrates an example of using an SQS queue to decouple components in an image processing application. In this example, a user uploads a photo to an Amazon Simple Storage Service, or Amazon S3 bucket, which invokes an AWS Lambda function. The Lambda function sends a message containing information about the image to an SQS queue. A processing server that is part of an Amazon EC2 autoscaling group polls the SQS queue for messages to process. After processing the photo, the processing server sends the processed photo back to the S3 bucket. Note that the autoscaling group scales based on the size of the SQS queue. The processing servers keep working until the queue is empty and then keep holding until messages appear. If the EC2 instances become unavailable, the Lambda function can keep putting messages on the queue when an upload is made. When the autoscaling group is ready to start consuming messages again, it polls the queue for messages. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.